This place, Achill, when every time I visit, I feel clarity. A sense of being at the right place. Let that be moments with friends, building core memories, and enjoying each other's company. Or just the time alone, clearing your thoughts and finding inspiration to create and tell new stories. A place you can visit for its ruggedness and beauty, with its abundance of activities and experiences to enjoy throughout the island. Achill through all seasons, with every journey, the time spent here leaves you with that moment you just can't rightly explain. I hope you get here to enjoy this place sometime too.